Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. In the month of January, I'm coming to Chennai and I will have a workshop in Chennai as well as in Mumbai. So those who are interested may contact our office. Check the description for details. What a dramatic day today. Nifty opened flat. GIFT Nifty was also indicating flat only and then kept on falling more than 250 points from intraday high. At some point of time, even 25,500 was broken. I told you the next support is at 25,400. So the way it was falling, it was really very, very scary. And today, it is the third day of more than 200-250 point fall. Then the dramatic thing has happened. Sometimes in the afternoon, the US ambassador to India spoke very, very positively. So because of that, there was a huge short covering. The short covering was so huge, then Nifty, went to plus 100 from minus 250. So that's almost a 350 point rally. So when the markets are extremely oversold, so this kind of things can happen. Yesterday, the put call ratio was at 0.49, which was extremely oversold. And today, when Nifty fell another 200-250 point, I'm sure put call ratio would have gone to 0.4 or something like that. And then, the dramatic recovery happened. So anyway, the market closed higher. So that is something good. Today, Nifty avoided the fifth day of red candle. So today it is clearly a green candle. And not only the green candle, it's a significantly higher move. So that is on one side. This is just a pure short covering. So there is no material in this. There is no material news also. And every time I always say, these people always talk very, very dovishly, but inside the room they will be fighting. If inside the room, if they are so dovish, by this time they should have come out with the trade deal. The fact is that no trade deal has been happening. So that shows that there are a lot of disagreements. So how far these disagreements will go, I do not know. But this short covering is a good chance. If you want to cut down your long positions, and because you have a lot of uncertainties. Especially, when the corporate results come, markets tend to be more volatile. I think the HCL Technology result has come, TCS result has come. I think they are in line with expectation only. I do not know. I am not an expert to dissect the results. Okay, but one thing I will be happy that tomorrow at least the IV will fall in TCS. So there is no big change in Infosys ADR, because if there is any dramatic move is expected in TCS, that will be reflected in Infosys ADR. But Infosys ADR is not reacting anything. Another important news, January 15, it is a trading holiday for equity market. Today morning only I told you the trading is there. It's only the currency and debt markets are closed. But today evening, NSE has released a circular saying that 15th is a public holiday. Trading holiday. And those people who sold Sensex option, they must be lucky. Because the Sensex option, it is supposed to expire on Thursday. Because Thursday is a holiday, the Sensex expiry will happen on Wednesday. So that means instead of 3 days, now you have only 2 days. So tomorrow you will see that the Sensex options will be crashing, if I am not wrong. Because now the people will be factoring in 3 days of time value. Tomorrow morning it will be only 2 days of time value. So at least 1/3 of the premium is likely to collapse tomorrow. So I do not know how NSE can do. Because the NSE knows well in advance that there is going to be a civic poll in Mumbai. I don't know why they are deciding so late. But they will be I think these option buyers will be compensated by, NSE declaring a trading day on 1st of February. So if that happens, it will be a historical thing in Indian stock market. So this will be the first time NSE will be open for trading on a Sunday. So anyway, we will wait for the confirmation. Right? So the dramatic fall and dramatic rise. So let us hope that at least, today's low. Today morning I said, we hope that Friday's low is not broken. And now, we have to hope that today's low is not broken. So this is the life of a trader, right? So it kept on falling. In one particular account, I was having about 5 lakh plus profit, ended up with 5 lakh plus loss because of the huge short covering, a sudden up move, and I could not react. Of course, there was another account where I was very lucky. My broker terminal made some mistake and he kept calling me, sir, there's no margin, please cut your calls, not margin. They are monitoring my risk positions. So they tell me, sir, you have a higher risk on the call side, please cut the calls. I kept on cutting the calls and still they say. At one point of time, I got angry, I shouted at the way, what is this, But finally they checked, sorry sir, our system did not work. Okay, now everything is okay. But luckily I cut the calls because had I not cut the calls, those calls would have moved much higher, would have resulted in a bigger loss. So anyway, that is a part and parcel of our life. Like around 3:15, one of my friends called me. He said, sir, after a long time, at the money short straddle is giving a very good premium. I said, okay, go and sell it. So India VIX also shot up like anything in the morning. Towards the end, there was some cool down, but in intraday it went up. So option premiums, actually option premiums are increasing both the sides. Both puts and calls were increasing, right? And after a long time, so market is getting back to a normal thing. That means, more premium, lucrative for option sellers. So let us look at like Nifty closed around 25,800. So if you see the 25,800 short straddle for tomorrow, that was trading around about 130 point premium. Remember few days before, 1 week ahead it was trading around 150. Now for tomorrow expiry it is trading around 130. So this is how the premiums, spike and premiums collapse, when the market having some direction or any short covering and this and that. So anyway, all is well that ends well. So today our market has ended well, although I'm in loss, but still we always feel happy when the market goes higher, even though you lose. So anyway, we will continue to fight. So we will be able to come out by tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Nifty expiry, will be more volatile. So today, 3 things to watch. Number 1, TCS results. I don't know how much it's going to affect tomorrow market. And number 2, US markets. And then, right now US futures are very much lower. And number 3 is the FII selling today. So we need to check how much FIIs have sold today. So these 3 things are very, very important for tomorrow's market. And tomorrow, be assured there will be more volatility. So, but volatility is always good because as long as you are getting more premium for the volatility, then it's okay. So still that's good for you. Less premium is the problem. So I think now that is getting corrected. Now the result season starts, then slowly US markets will also react to the results, and then we will be seeing some kind of a speculation being built around February 1. So today morning I told you, dare not to take short position or dare not to take long position also, and that is exactly as happened. If you have taken a long position in the morning, you should have been wiped out. And if you have taken a short position in the afternoon, you should have been wiped out. So these markets are too volatile to handle. So let us see what is going to happen. So the good news is that market closed higher. Second good news is that Thursday is a holiday. So we can plan for some outing for one day. So these are all the good things. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.